Pu'er City in southwest China's Yunnan province is making a name for itself as China's coffee capital. Pu'er has 668,000 mu of coffee plantation in 2021, producing the highest yield of coffee beans of 46,000 tons in China. This is thanks to the efforts of the local government to develop coffee planting and processing as a backbone industry. In 2019, Pu'er City launched a pilot insurance program for the pricing of green coffee beans in the city, so as to reduce the burden on coffee producers, operators and growers, and promote sustained and healthy development of the industry. Besides delivering preferential policies, the local government is eyeing deep processing of coffee beans to turbocharge high-quality development of the local coffee industry.
比如我们建设这种共享的大型的烘焙线，可以帮助企业减少它的设备投资，一起来分时的使用我们的设备，包括我们请专业的技术人员来帮他们做这些加工的这个技术引导和指导，能够提高他们的产品的品牌的价值和质量。
Across Yunnan province, the coffee plantation area and coffee production account for 98% and 99% respectively of the country's total. As China is experiencing a coffee boom in recent years, the industry has absorbed more investment.
其实云南咖啡的特色就是它的包容性很强，它很适合去做成一杯高品质的饮品，所以这是我们认为云南咖啡的一个潜质之一。这2年呢，有很多这个咖啡的行业内的人投入到这个云南咖啡的研发之中，所以我们认为这个东西会越来越好。